got my lashes on, I've straightened my hair, I put makeup on. It's gonna be a good video. If I put my lashes on, it means it's important. And as you read by the title, I hope you're excited too, because we're gonna unbox. It feels so weird being in front of a camera again. Like I think it's been over a year since I've done a video, but yeah, I'm literally on my hands and knees, not on my knees, not my hands. I'm on my knees because if I sit on my bed, it's too high, and if I just sit like cross-legged normally, you won't, my head will be cut off. So yeah, we're going with it. I'm sure you just want to get straight to the video because you don't want to see me rambling.
I'm very excited. I ordered off the Amazon website because I went through this whole shambles of trying to get the phone from T-Mobile, Verizon. I was just so sick of everything, so when I saw this little beauty in the post, well, it's not beautiful right now, but well.
Oh my god, I need scissors to open this.
One sec.
Oh, and I'm back with the weapon. Okay, I don't know how to open these things. As you can tell, it's going to be a very professional unboxing. Ugh. Oh my god. I think I got it. Right. And here, oh my god. And here we are, the beautiful phone. I got the, oh my god, can I get it out? The iPhone, what is it called? 10R in yellow in 128GB because your girl goes through a lot of photos. I don't know how to open this. Let's zoom in. Okay, can you see it? Oh my god. As you can tell, okay, so I'm filming on my iPhone SE right now, so the quality might not be the best, but yeah, my past with phones have been my 6S rose gold, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's really cracked there. It's just really slow in general. It's 64 gigs. I've filled up the storage. I think my dog's coming to join me. Raven, come here. Hello. This is my dog. I'm sure he's happy to be in the video. Aren't you happy? Look what I've got. Oh. I'm sorry for touching my hair. Take a shot every time I touch my hair. Let's see how that goes. Designed by Apple in California. Apple, you little geniuses. Designed by Apple in California. Apple, you little geniuses. I don't want to drop it because I watch unboxing videos, the people drop it and I'm like, what are you? Oh my god. So here's the phone. I'm scared to even touch it. Oh my god. I was smart and thought ahead. Went on Amazon and I got a screen protector and I got like loads of these. Oh my god. I got loads of these the case, not the, this is basically just a video watching me struggle, okay, opening things. So back to the phone. I'm actually really scared. It's quite big actually.
That's what she said.
Comparison in size, that's my 6S. Oh my god, I think I need to put my hair up.
It's getting serious.
She ready?
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm actually so scared. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, so in the box you get your average, I'm gonna put the phone down. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You've got your Apple earbuds. I'm not used to this. Oh, what is this? I think these, yeah, this one comes with the lightning cable connector because I'm used to the headphone jack. I've got AirPods anyway. And then we've got your average lightning and your 5-watt charger. I know that because I've watched unboxing videos. Okay. Oh my god, this is actually like the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. I have a moment here. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Did I touch it? I'm gonna turn it on. Oh my god. It's turning on. Look at my fingerprints on that. The reason why I got the yellow is because I've had rose gold phones since all my other phones are rose gold. So I was gonna get the white. I thought the white was like gorgeous because it was like a actual white, and then the only one they had in stock in the T-Mobile store was black, but I was like, that's a bit boring. Red I would have got, but then I thought everyone else is getting red, so I decided to go the yellow, show the yellow some love. I know it's not the most popular colour, but I think it's beautiful. Like,
Oh my god, it's turned on.
and in the time I was speaking gibberish. Okay. Hello. Oh my god, I don't know how to use this. English, United States, set up manually. Shit, I need my Wi-Fi. Lol. I don't know my password for my. Please subscribe if you want to see maybe some more iPhone XR videos that I could possibly do. I know I haven't uploaded for like a year, but I really want to try and be better. I wanna do this. Do you know what? It's actually, this is quite heavy, like, and it's quite thick. She's thick. This is probably a really boring video. I'm not the best techie person. Like, I don't know. I'm just your average girl. Wait, how do you take a screenshot? Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to take a picture on this phone because I don't know how to take a screenshot. I think I'm gonna have to go to the T-Mobile store. Oh my god, I'm doing Face ID. Okay. Oh no, my hair's up. I look ugly. Okay, wait. First, position your face in the camera frame. Oh my god, I hope it still recognises, because I've got eyelashes on now, and then when I take them off they're gonna be like,
Who's this?
set up as new iPhone. It's a really nice size, what I noticed. Oh my god, like the yellow is actually like just, it's gorgeous. In person it's a perfect yellow. Like it's not like, you know, remember the iPhone 5C? I thought that yellow is a bit more lemony. This is like a deep, vibrant, rich red yellow, I meant. And to be fair, I actually didn't like the iPhone XR because I thought it looked cheap and everything compared to the XS, but the reason it's cheap, it's not even, it feels really good. It feels expensive, and everyone's been talking about the bezels. The bezels don't even bother me. Like, honestly, paying $250 less, or pounds or whatever, it's fine. The bezels are a little bit thicker, but it's okay. Okay, let me show you my cases. So I got this case. It's little whales. So cute. It's absolutely adorable, actually. Whales with like the Eiffel Tower on it. And I got all clear cases because I wanted to show the colour of the phone. This little purple one, it's really cute. Ciao. I don't know how to use this. Okay. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Why did I say it 3 different times? Display zoom. Do I want it? I think I want it standard, I guess. Standard versus zoom. There's not much difference in it. It's telling me all these gestures, which I should probably learn because I'm used to the home button. But all the people that I've talked to, they said they don't miss the home button, so. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Look at that yellow background. Please say it's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. It's so beautiful. This is like an unpopular opinion, but I kind of like the notch. It's cool. I like it. It's nice. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing my iPhone XR video. I know it's not the best one you've ever seen probably, but I was just really excited to get this phone and I wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put a case on it right now. That would probably be a good idea. I think I should put a screen protector on it. Oh my god, I'm doing the front side. Oh my god. Screen protector on. It wasn't the best way possibly to do that. God, look at that. It's like, oh my god. I'm gonna put this case on it. Oh my god. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. I don't want to break it. Why is this not going on? Okay. It's going. It's going. Okay. Oh my god, look how cute it looks. It's so cute. Oh my god. I forgot to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of this. I don't know what would that be, but thank you so much. Please subscribe down below. I'll link all my social medias down below as well. If you're new, my name's Luciana and I haven't uploaded for a while, let's be real. But my Instagram should be here or here or here or something, and all my social medias. And yeah. Subscribe down below if you want to see more iPhone XR videos, and I'll probably do like, I don't know, beauty, makeup, everything. But yeah, because I wanna use my iPhone XR to film videos. Hopefully the quality will be better, etc, etc. And yeah, thank you.